So this is my first video on YouTube. This is the video that will help me to decide if I want to do it more often. And I count on you viewers, if there are any, or there will be any, to help me decide it. My channel will be called Weekend Warrior. This is because I'm a DIYer. I'm a regular guy who likes to mend stuff, but not professionally. It's not only about tools, it's not only about repairing, building, DIYing. I was thinking to make it more broadly as a product review, not only tool product, to show how badly or how well are products designed. Also some drone features, flying drone features of our local nature and other stuff. Now, I'm asking you a question, should I continue with it? I'm not American, I'm not British. I lived in UK for many years, and that's what you'll see reflected by my potential future videos of my tools. I don't have a professional camera, or not even semi-professional, as you can probably see yourself. But I'm asking you a question. Would you like to see some more videos of my tools, of my ideas, of my comments, or should I stop here? Just to give you a feature of what was going to be my second video, obviously the toolbox tour, and this is just a sample of my small workshop, extremely small workshop, and my toolbox. With some details potentially in future. I'm waiting for the comments. Obviously, I would be in seventh heaven if I see some subscribers. I obviously plan some giveaways and some quizzes and stuff like that, but that only if there is a good response to my video. Thanks a lot, and hopefully see you soon.